Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to lay out and install your Signature Series posts. The installation for your posts will be the same whether you are using cable or rod railing. Let's get started. In this install, we provide basically all the materials needed for the installation. The only things you will need to bring are a drill or impact driver, a 3/16 inch drill bit, a Sharpie, a tape measure, and a speed square. Step 1. Checking your drawing. At this point, you probably have a drawing of where your posts are going to be placed. Refer to that drawing and place your posts at their locations, ensuring that each of the posts are no more than 48 inches away from each other on center. This will help you visualize the project and make sure that there are no unforeseen obstacles. Step 2. Using a speed square. To make sure your posts are level with the edges of your deck or balcony, use a speed square. Make sure as you are placing the post that it is at least 1.5 inches away from the edge of your blocking. When placing your angle posts, you will want to place them as close to 1.5 inches away from your blocking as possible. This will ensure that the bottom run of cable will clear the tread nosings. Step 3. Checking system leveling. Run the provided string along the edges of your post to check for a consistent line. If the line is not consistent, you will have issues mounting your handrail. You should also run that string through the bottom holes on each of your angled runs to make sure that the cable will clear the tread nosings. It may help to tape a string to a drill bit as shown. Step 4. Pre-drilling mounting holes. Now that you've confirmed the placement of your posts, mark the location of all your mounting holes with a Sharpie. If possible, you always want to use the 4 corner holes. If that presents any issues, make sure to populate one hole on each of the 4 sides of the post. Removing each of the posts, use a 3/16 inch drill bit to pre-drill all mounting holes. Step 5. Mounting and leveling posts. Replace the posts and populate all of your pre-drilled holes with the provided mounting screws. Place the post level onto a post and make sure that the post is level. If it is not level, use the provided composite shims to level out the posts. Once it is level, slide your foot cover over the top of your post, making sure to let it down carefully so that it doesn't scratch it. Repeat this step for each of your posts. Step 6. Attaching the handrail bracket. Position the handrail bracket on top of your posts and attach it with the provided screws. If your system utilizes corner posts, make sure the bracket is oriented so that it turns the corner the correct way. If your system has post side handrail brackets on transition posts, check out the video at the link below to see how to install it. Now you've mounted all your posts. To learn how to install the rest of your signature rod or cable railing system, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.